Truex, Hamlin, and Elliott there as Chris Buescher will lead for the final time off turn 2.
He's a car length and a half to the good over Kyle Larson. Here comes Larson again. A final try. He's looking to the high side. Here he comes. Larson squeezes up against the fence.
Chris Buescher gives him room. They're going to drag race to the start-finish line. Here comes Truex. They bang sideways at the line. Photo finish in the Advent Health 400 as they crash behind them. Chris Buescher by 1/1000th of a second beats Kyle Larson to the line.
I'll roll in here. I'll roll in here. Pushes even with him. Pushes better. Pushes better here. Bottom 3. Still bottom 3. Still bottom 3. Still bottom 3 just outside 17. All the way up top. Still 17. Up top. Half back to the 11 now. Just you in the 17. You in the 17-9 coming outside. Outside. Clear. Clear. All clear. Half back 2 wide behind you now. Just you and him right there. Still just you and him. Coming back, white flag. 3 wide behind you. Clear by 2 back now. Back to the 19. No run out back. It's just you and the 17. Just get your run right. Still clear by half. 3 wide behind you, all in front. Coming back, checkered. Whatever you need. Whatever you need right here. Still just you and him. Still you and him here. Still you and him. Stay tight up top here. Tight. Protect top. Go top. Tight, tight. Up, 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 up. I don't know if you got him. You might have. Outside. Outside.
Do we get it? Do we get it?
I don't know.
We did not. Great effort.
Dang it. Good job, Bill.
We won! We won! We freaking won! We won! We won! They just said the 5 was 1.
Are you fucking go!
That was awesome. My timing and scoring shows 0.000. Seriously, 0.0000. Hell of a person.
You just got the 3 down low right here.
They just said it was the 5 per the camera. Hell of a job, Larson.
In line now. Half down. Half down. Stay on top. 3 to the top. 3 to the top. Just a 5. Still 3. He's middle lane. Still 3. 2 back. Coming to checkers. 2 back. 1. Be ready to cover here. 1 up. Down. Up. Up. Outside. Coming to checkers. Outside quarter. Outside. Coming to checkers. Outside. Stop here. Outside. Coming to checkers. Dig to the stripe. Checkers.
Yes! Oh, yeah! Good work! Heck yeah, guys, that is awesome! Good work, girl. I know I missed that one. Whew!
Run out or say it 5.
There's no way! Wait. Talk to me.
Still saying a 5.
I don't get it. Minus timing and scoring have us first.
Top of 3. 3 should push you. Just keep them in your mirror. You're clear. All clear. Whatever you need. Your help half off. So half off. White flag, one more. Still top 3. Middle's open still, middle still open, middle still open. Clear up, inside only, all clear, all clear, all clear. Next one behind by 2 on the bottom. Just hard back to the line here. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Still hurrying. Checker fly. Good job there.
Get back top. Come up. Just inside bottom. 45 close middle here. Inside. Motherfucker just drove through us. That's it. Didn't drive through me. I can't turn in a 40-acre fucking field.
He needs his ass kicked, what he needs.